Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, and today we are going to do maybe some outdoor crafting. So give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go outside and go take a look. So here are some crafts for outdoor mosquito traps. First one, you're going to need a planter of some sort, a small one, some heavy rocks, and then these citronella, what they're calling citronella incense sticks. And these come in a package of 6, so in theory you could make 2 pots or more if you only put 2 in there. But they come in a package of 6, so I put 3 in the pot like they did on the picture of the container. And all we're going to do is we're going to put some rocks down at the bottom of this pot or this planter. And these are also from Dollar Tree. You probably should use 3 bags. I only bought 2, so yeah. And then all we're going to do is stick the incense sticks into the rocks to make them stand upright. And now if you wanted to pretty this up, of course you could use a different planter or more attractive planter, whatever. All of this was from Dollar Tree. And this is how it looks outside. Now this is the only one I didn't actually burn because I started the other ones and burned the other ones instead. But I thought it was cute, and if it works, that's fabulous. For $3 or $5, that's fabulous. I love it. And then the next one is using the Mosquito Repellent coil. Now these are the ones that I actually burned, and they do seem to help. I was out messing with the vegetables outside, and these seem to help. So first, they come in a package of 4, and you have to separate. They're kind of bunched together, two together, and you have to kind of separate them. Now, when I first did this, I cracked the first one. So you'll see in the end, you'll see me burning just a little piece, and that's because I had burned some already, but then also it cracked. So be careful as you're taking these apart, because they will crack easily. So you're basically just following the line. And there we go. And then they come with 2 of these little stands. And so you're going to pull the middle part up on the stand, and there's a little opening in the very middle of the mosquito coil, and you just stick the little pointer part into that hole, basically, that's on the coil. And then I'm going to again put some rocks down at the bottom, and then I'm just going to set this down inside of there. The reason I'm putting it in here and not just on a table or something is because I don't want it to burn the table or the grass or whatever. I want any ash that's going to fall to stay in the bowl. This bowl was from Dollar Tree, the rocks from Dollar Tree, the coils from Dollar Tree, like another, what is this, a $3.75 mosquito trick. And this one is the one I burnt all day, and it was fabulous. It says it burns for 5 to 7 hours, and I would agree wholeheartedly that it does. And then last is probably my least favorite in terms of looks, but I was using the little metal pans that you can get from Dollar Tree. And this one was, there aren't tops on these. They are a little thicker than the standard, but there are no tops. And I like the gold as well. So I'm just going to throw whatever rocks I have left, which wasn't very many, throw those in the bottom of the pan here, just so that it doesn't fly away in the wind. That's the only reason for the rocks. This is obviously, it's not burn proof, but it's not going to burn due to some ash because it is meant to be in an oven and all that. And then again, I'm just going to put the little pointer into the coil, the middle of the coil there where the hole is. And just going to set it down eventually once I can figure out how to get it to stay on there. I'm just going to set it down in the middle and then put some rocks over the little holder. And that's it. It's so simple and so easy. So easy. And that's it. And there it is, burning outside. And again, the idea for the rocks is just so that it doesn't blow away. You probably want to put more rocks, probably 2 full bags of rocks if you're getting them from Dollar Tree. And you know, these were all very quick, very easy. They all seemingly worked from my experience being outside.
That one was the only one I didn't test yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work because the others were great. That one is my favorite in terms of how it looks. And thank you so much for stopping by today. I sure hope you can give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.